This is Hank. Hank is a Labrador Retriever Hound mix. And he is 8 years old. And he is very excited and likes to talk. Hank likes treats. There you go, buddy. Hey, Hank, can you sit? Sit. Oh, stop. Sit. He can sit and say, oh, good boy. And he shakes too. He likes to talk, but he's not aggressive at all. He just wants to let you know he's here. Let's see if he can shake. Can you give me a shake? Oh, good boy. And now he got to get the treat. Good boy. There you go, mister. So Hank's still very active. We took a couple of fatty tumors off of him. So just had his stitches removed. That's a good boy, Hank. This is Waldo. Waldo is a 5 to 6 year old neutered male. He is a Chihuahua mix. And he's got a little snaggletooth that's very cute. Hi. You sit? You do the sit? He's already very low to the ground. So he's a very excitable, handsome fella. He likes people. He likes to play. He likes his stuffy toys. Oh, he's a good doggy. And he's got a very cute face and a lot of character. Yeah, that's a good doggy. So, his bark's not aggressive. It's just telling me out he wants his cookies. Oh, what a good boy. Yeah. We'll see you later. And this is Wanda. Hi, Wanda. Wanda's a very sweet girl. So it's another Chihuahua mix. And Wanda is 5 years old. And she's spayed. And she's a very reserved girl. Oh, really? Maybe not so reserved when treats are involved. Hi, sweetie. And that white coloring on her face, a little mask, it's not because of age. It's just her coloring mix. There you go. She's got white tips on her feet. A little white vest and a white nose. Oh, can you jump? Are you a jumper? Yeah. That's a good girl. She really likes her cookies. Can you sit? Will you sit for a cookie? You sit? You show me sit? No? Well, we could work on that. This is Precious. And Precious is going to be our dog of the week.
This is Precious. She is a Jack Russell Terrier mix, one of our friendliest dogs that we've got here at the shelter right now. She's perfect on a leash. She knows just what walks are. She also knows sit and some of her basic manners. I know. You'd never know it by looking at her, but she is about 11 years old. But she's got lots of energy. She will walk and hike with the best of you for a few miles before she gets tired out. And you might notice a little hair loss on her backside. When she first came in here, she was just kind of infested with fleas, so we're working on healing up that skin. But she is a very friendly girl. We've got her listed for kids 12 and older are just fine. She appears to like dogs a great deal, but we would still like her to meet your dog if you already have one and are looking to add to your family. But she really enjoys people, and her favorite place to be is on a lap. So we'll see if we can't get her to come on up here. Come on over here. I know, it's a good spot. So she is very sweet. If you want somebody who is happy to see you when you get home, this is your gal. She will be so happy to see you when she gets home. You got a little food stuck in your teeth there, bub? She likes massages and pets. She even likes tummy rubs when it's her idea. She doesn't always want to go over. Not a lot of interest in toys, but a lot of interest in people.
This is Susie. And Susie is an American Pit Bull Terrier. And she's a female, about 3 years old. And she's got a nice smile. She likes attention. She likes treats. She likes pets. And she's energetic. She'd be a good exercise buddy. She's very attentive and pays attention to her people. Very treat motivated. Will be trainable. You got a good smile, huh? Yeah. Yeah? Good girl. You sit for me? Oh, good sit. You shake? Oh, you tried. Good girl. Well, somebody spent some time with you already. What a good girl. And you have such a pretty smile. Yeah. Good girl. This is Fozzie. And Fozzie is an 11-year-old Ibiza Hound Basenji mix. And he is about the calmest fella you're ever gonna meet. He just likes to cuddle up and get next to you. He's looking for his forever retirement home. He's not super interested in treats, but he'll take one. All right, now we have a guy that's not very shy. This is Bo. And Bo is about a 3-year-old Jack Russell and Fox Terrier mix. And that means he's smart and very active. That's a good doggy. Good sit. There you go. Oh, so excited for the treats. There you go. Bo is neutered. And you can see he's very attentive, very treat motivated. He would be a good exercise partner with somebody. He's very friendly. Oh, good sit. He likes to stand up and do a prairie dog act. You stand, up, up. You're gonna do your thing. Oh, you're cheating. Up, up. Well, the kennel isn't the best place to showcase his trick, but he'll be very trainable. You can make up your own tricks with him. It should be good bonding time and very fun. He's a super cute, happy fella, and he's gonna make somebody a great pet. Good boy. So this is Molly. Molly is a 14-year-old Jack Russell, wire-haired. And Molly is brand new to the shelter, so as of today, Monday, she is not available, but she will be available soon. She's very excitable, likes people, very friendly. And she's 14 years, so she's looking for a retirement home. Oh, look at those beautiful teeth. Oh, what a good girl. But she's still very treat motivated. And she looks like she gets around okay. He's gonna make somebody a good buddy. Hi, baby. This happy little ball of energy is Jersey. And Jersey's still a puppy. It's 18-month-old Chihuahua. Oh, sweetie, aren't you cute? I'm sorry, Jersey's a little boy. And he has been neutered. There you go. So this one's going to be a cuddle bug, like lots of Chihuahuas. But Jersey is still young enough to be very active. He likes his treats, so he'll be very trainable. Here you go. Come say hi. Oh, I like it better if you have cookies, huh? What a good boy. This is Milton. And Milton is a 3-year-old corgi. And he has been neutered. Milton is very shy around new people, but you can see what a love he is around people he knows. Oh, that's a good boy. He wants to be a lap dog. And he's still going to be somewhat active at his age. But this is mostly what he likes. He likes being close. Like spending time with family. So if you come in and meet him and he hides in the back of the kennel, don't let that put you off. Just come ask one of the staff to let you take him out to one of our meet and greet centers, and he will melt in your lap in very short order. This is Sam. Sam is a 4 to 5-year-old neutered male. And he's got the cone of recovery on his head. And that might be being neutered. Or maybe something else, I'm not sure. That's a good boy. Come take that. Oh, the cone. The cone is tough. There you go. Oh, you can't do it like that, buddy. Oh, he's got a cookie caught in the cone. That's the bad news. Stay put, mister. There you go, that works. He's very treat motivated. Let's see if we can look down in there, because you've got such a cute face. Very cute fella. He's going to be active. He's a lab mix. He looks like a black lab. Yeah, you don't like that cone so much, do you, buddy? It's hard to make that work for you. Hey, bud. Yeah, there you are. You want to come back here and get a cookie? Come on, back here. That's a good boy. So he has a lot of active years left, just 4 to 5. He's going to want to play a lot of ball and go for walks. That's a good doggy. So this is Frankie. Cookie. There you go. Come on, buddy. Frankie is a tiny miniature pincher. Come here, Frankie. You want the treat? There you go. So he is tiny for a miniature pincher. 3-year-old. And he's neutered already. He's very active, wants to be busy. Busy fella. Oh, that's a good boy. Might be in need of a sweater for the winter. There you go, little guy. But he's a very cute fella. Tiny, tiny.